Measuring distances in Pointorama is quick and accurate, perfect for property boundaries, renovation planning, or quoting jobs. Let's add dimensioning lines and measurements directly to the point cloud. We'll start simple, measuring the distance from the floor to the ceiling. First, select the line tool from the toolbar and then click once to start your line, then click again to mark the endpoint and press enter to finish the measurement. If you want clean horizontal or vertical lines, try using Shift while drawing. Again, click once to start, hold down Shift. This will constrain the line to a straight direction. Click again to place the endpoint and press enter to finish. Want to create a continuous series of measurements, like a chain of aligned dimension lines? First, zoom out slightly for better visibility, then click once to start your line, hold down Shift to constrain the direction, click again to finish a segment, right-click and drag to pan the view as you go, and keep going to add more while holding down the Shift key, and then press Enter to finish the measurement.